So we'll discuss about FSRM, File Server Resource Manager. What is FSRM? It is a role service in Windows Server that provides the following features. We will get storage, quota management, file screening management, storage reports management. So you will get these three features under FSRM. Let us try to understand what are these three features one by one. First, we'll see storage quota management. This storage quota management allows system administrator to apply the limit on storage for users. For example, user 1 should get 1 GB storage. User 2 should get 2 GB storage. User 3 should get 1 GB storage, and so on. So we can apply the limit to the storage to a specific user. And we have the second feature of FSRM, which is file screening management. It allows system administrator to restrict users to save specific extensions. So using this feature, what we can do, we can restrict the users to save some files, like user 1 should not save exe files in the home folder. User 2 should not save the image files or images in the home folder. We can restrict the users to save a specific extension. Okay, so we have these many options like audio, video, backup files, compressed file, email files, executable files, image files, office files, etc. And we have the third feature, which is storage reports management. This feature is used for auditing. What auditing? It allows administrator to monitor the users for attempts to save file with restricted images. Let us say you have restricted user 1 to save .exe file. So you have restricted him, but still user is trying to save .exe file. Okay, so using this storage reports management, you can monitor the things and you can catch the user who is trying to break the rules. Okay, so it allows administrator to monitor the users for attempts to save files with restricted extension. So let us see how to install this FSRM service. So file server resource manager is a role service in Windows Server and it is not installed by default, must be installed manually. Let us see how to install it. So we will log on to domain controller, then we'll go to server manager, then we'll go to add roles and features. Then we'll go to file and storage services. Under this file and storage services, we'll select file and iSCSI services. Under this file and iSCSI services, we will select this option, file server resource manager. Then you will get this window. You will click add features option. Then this option will be checked after selecting this add features option. So you can see this option is checked. Then we will click next. Then we'll click install. So this service will get installed. After that, we'll verify whether this service is installed or not. So we'll go to tools. Okay, we'll go to server manager. Then we'll go to tools. Under tools, you will get this option, file server resource manager, FSRM. Let us install it. We'll go to the domain controller. Then we'll go to server manager. Then we'll go to add roles and features. We are installing these features. Then we'll click next. We'll click next. Next. And file and storage services will expand it. Under this file and storage services, we have file and iSCSI services. Then file server resource manager. Once you check it, you will get this window. Then we need to select add features. this option is checked, then we'll click next, next, install. So it will install FSRM. After the installation, we'll verify. So it is installed successfully. We'll close it and we'll verify whether it is installed or not. So we'll go to tools. Then you can see we have this file server resource manager. It is installed successfully.